Hello Internet, in this video I will do an out-of-box review of this Cinoton Dusk to Dawn outdoor light, which sells currently for about $35 on Amazon. Keep watching. Now if you'd like a chance to win one of these during one of my live stream giveaways, to qualify, simply like the video and leave a comment in this video, and in 10 days we'll do a random drawing based on those comments. Okay, taking it out of the box showed that it was good quality. Now it shows two lights here. One is the giveaway. When you order on Amazon, you just get a single light. But good quality, painted aluminum, and then the glass is real glass as far as I can tell. It comes with all the hardware necessary to install it. Now I had to remove my security light from the garage. I have a different application for this security light. Also, I should point out that I turned off all the power. I threw the circuit breaker, so there's no power coming on out here. I don't want to work on electrical live, so it's not live at all. Okay, here I'm removing the hardware, the mounting bracket from the back end of the light. And here I'm removing the one from the security light. And I'm taking apart, there's both an adjusting bracket and then a mounting bracket. Two little set screws, taking them out. I need this one. And I have to mount that in place. Notice that the box is crooked. That's okay, because the other bracket will adjust to make it level. Okay, and now the leveling bracket, two little set screws. Again, just easily put those in place. You can see that the screws coming out now, or bolts, are level. Just getting the wires ready. I just used the wire connectors that came with the light. Real easy, white to white, black to black, and then added the ground wire both to the bracket and also the ground wire from the wiring from the house. Okay, now mounting it. Plenty of room to do this with the wires. The little bolts come through. Then there's a rubber gasket and then a nut. So just putting on the rubber gasket and then hand tightening the nut at this point. Okay, now I'm using a crescent wrench and cinching up the nuts much tighter. Putting a light bulb. This is an LED light from Costco. You can adjust what it looks like, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm just playing around with it to see the color of the light that I want. Okay, here I'm just covering up the light sensor, so dusk to dawn, and it turns right on. Okay, there it is. Very easy to install. Now, a couple of last things as I wrap up this video. First of all, they come as a single light. You cannot order these as a pair, so keep that in mind. It does not come with the LED. Having said that, it's very good quality. I highly recommend this light. Now, if you want to qualify for a giveaway, a live stream giveaway, to qualify for that giveaway, you simply need to leave a comment in this video and like the video. And then 10 days after posting this video, I'll do a random drawing based on the comments from this video. Have a great day.